AI-powered drones are quickly changing the landscape of logistics, bringing efficiency and innovation to the world of delivery. These drones use artificial intelligence to navigate complex environments, avoiding obstacles and agilux. Amazon, UPS, and other leading companies are already using AI drones to deliver packages faster. With the power of AI, these drones are making deliveries in record time, cutting down on costs and reducing delays. With the power of AI, these drones are making deliveries in record time, cutting down on costs. Thanks to energy-efficient AI systems, drones can fly longer distances, making them more practical for bulks. From urban streets to rural fields, AI drones adapt to any environment, expanding the potential deliveries. While traffic slows down delivery trucks, drones can take the fastest route, arriving at destination to doorstep. These drones are designed to move packages safely and efficiently, reducing the need for human intervention. Advanced AI systems allow these drones to communicate with each other, ensuring that air traffic remains coordinated. The future is already taking shape, with drones working alongside autonomous vehicles and robots to create a forward. The heart of these drones is their AI system, which processes vast amounts of data from cameras. From GPS navigation to obstacle detection, the AI integrates multiple systems, allowing the drone tools. Through computer vision, drones can see and understand their surroundings, allowing them to safely avoid obstacles. It learns from its environment, adapting its flight path to each new challenge.
Even in challenging weather conditions, AI drones are equipped with real-time weather analysis tools, ensuring deliveries are never delayed. The AI continuously updates the drone's flight path, ensuring that it's always on track and able to respond. Unlike human pilots, AI drones require no direct input, flying autonomously from takeoff to landing without the risk of human error. The more these drones fly, the smarter they become. Their AI learns from each delivery, continuously. While autonomous, AI drones can also be manually controlled in rare cases when human intervention is needed. At its core, AI allows drones to navigate complex routes, selecting the fastest, safest path. One of the biggest advantages of AI drones is speed. While traditional delivery vehicles are stuck in traffic, AI drones can deliver packages in record time, sometimes in as little as 30 minutes. Compared to this, drones can reach the most remote areas, places that are often too difficult for traditional vehicles to access. AI drones also streamline warehouse operations, quickly moving goods from sorting stations to delivery hubs. Unlike noisy delivery trucks, drones fly quietly, ensuring deliveries don't disrupt local workers. AI-powered drones are resilient, able to perform consistently even in the harshest conditions, ensuring reliable sovereignty. Drones offer an innumerable service to elderly and disabled individuals, delivering essential goods right to their. As AI technology advances, drones will continue to lower operational costs, making doors. Drones are not just for small packages. They can transport a variety of goods, from electronics to bulk.
Amazon's Prime Air has been testing drone deliveries for years, now bringing packages straight to your doorstep within minutes.
UPS has started using drones for delivering critical medical supplies, ensuring that time-sensitive deliveries reach rural areas, which are often underserved by traditional delivery systems, now benefit from drone technology. With drones, urban congestion is no longer a problem. They offer a much faster and direct route, bypassing traffic completely. AI technology allows drones to navigate crowded urban environments, adjusting in real time to avoid pedestrian. In healthcare, drones are revolutionizing the way critical items like medicines and blood supplies are delivered. At distribution centers, drones are used to streamline sorting, speeding up the processing. Products efficiency are fully integrated into global logistics systems, tracked in real time, ensuring that packages are delivered on schedule. Deliveries. Beyond deliveries, AI drones are also used for environmental monitoring, helping scientists gather data. In the future, drones will become the backbone of global logistics, working alongside autonomous vehicles to. As technology advances, we'll see cities where drones play a central role, managing everything from deliveries to citywide surveillance. The future of delivery is even faster, as drone fleets autonomously deliver groceries, medicine, and other essentials. AI drones will expand their reach, operating globally to deliver packages across continent time. Not just small parcels, drones will soon be capable of carrying and delivering larger items, making home delivered to gold beds. The next generation of AI drones will work compact, smarter, and capable of complex tasks. In the future, AI drones will work alongside autonomous vehicles in smart cities, creating an interconnect. Drones will seamlessly integrate with existing traffic systems, reducing congestion, improving delivery speed, and making sense. As AI drones continue to evolve, they will make everyday life easier for consumers, bringing everything from grocery. With AI drones, the future of delivery is always on, and always evolving.